Hello internet and welcome. For this video I thought, what is the funnest thing to grow, and I realized that it's something that grows really fast. So we are going to set up a small microgreens indoor greenhouse. According to Wikipedia, microgreens are vegetable greens harvested just after the cotyledon leaves have developed, meaning that they are ready to consume in no time. I chose a hot mix from Nelson Garden because it seemed just right for occasional salad or food topping to add flavor and fragrance. I also bought the small indoors greenhouse with transparent lid that has closable air vent at the top. Let's get preparing. First of all, I like to add some water to the bottom of the container so that the lower layer of soil would be instantly irrigated. For that water I use my hydroponics grow solution with pH 6.5 and DC around 1.2. It's totally okay to use regular tap water as well. If you want to learn more how to mix your own grow solutions and which fertilizers to choose, subscribe now to be notified when the episode 2 of hydroponics series is up. And now back to the preparations. As I have about 4 to 6 millimeters of water on the bottom, I take the most regular plant soil there is and add enough to form a layer with 3 to 4 centimeter thickness. Then I use a little scoop to spread it all out somewhat evenly and give it some finishing touches with the back of my hand. Note to self, next time use the hand that's further away from the camera. You don't have to press the soil tight, just make it so that when you add your seeds they won't all roll to one place. When the soil looks nice and flat, it's time to get your seeds and start spreading them out as evenly as you can. Give it a last touch with your finger and there you go, a good looking pattern of seeds. Next I take the spray bottle that is also filled with the hydroponics grow solution and give the seeds their first shower. You don't want the top layer to be totally wet so the seeds will start swimming away, instead get it nice and moist. Last but not least, place the transparent lid at the top and close the vent hole. You can also do it without the lid, but since I do have a devil in the form of a cute white cat at home, I have to protect my plants and seeds whatever it takes. As everything seems ready, you have to place the greenhouse to a warm and somewhat dark place. Such seeds usually prefer temperatures around 20 to 25 degrees. Keep in mind that they are really fast growing, meaning that you have to check them daily, and as soon as most of the seeds have sprouted, place the greenhouse near a window. Here is some bonus content. My setup 24 hours later. You can see how fast they come along. Already on second day you can spot some roots and or leaves breaking through the shell of the seed. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions, and keep on growing. See you in the next one.